Tell my mama I'm sorry that I blame her for all the shit I know that I could fix. I get mad and scream it down on paper, then I go and call my therapist. I'm a little too much, I'm a little too lazy. Sometimes I feel like you hate me. How I get so angry, yeah. I'm a little fucked up, yeah. I'm a little fucked up, yeah.
I'm a little fucked up, got me feeling so stuck. I think that I'm unplugged, in my brain there's no blood. Serotonin not enough, fit my bed like a glove. And my eyes seal shut, and my mind feels numb. Give me for the things I said, I'm not mad at you. I had a really bad day, barely getting through. I feel like I've been on the same damn fucking loop. I know that it's all in my brain, but it's fucking true.
Cause I can't seem to escape from the pain. I just need to break through the chains. Let me go, please let me change. Call me by a different name.
I don't wanna play the game anymore. I'm just gonna flip over and shake out the board. I feel like one day I'll regret this, but I don't know how else I can forget this.
Too much, a little too lazy. Sometimes I feel like you hate me. Say how I get so angry, yeah. I'm a little fucked up, yeah. I'm a little fucked up,
Don't take this life for granted, you're lucky to have landed. I know you might feel stranded, it's never how we planned it. But that's the beauty in living, you got a view you were given. Where you can choose to just give in, or you can choose a new vision. It's never easy as it seems. Sometimes I feel like the world just wants me on my knees. Oh, oh, screaming out, begging please. Give me a sign, a light, fucking anything. But that's the beauty of it. If it were easy, no one would really give a shit. We would all just sit around with nothing to do, nothing to prove, nothing to lose, no reason to move. So be thankful for the lows in your life, cause on the other side there's a high that you'll like. So be thankful for the lows in your life, cause on the other side there's a high that you'll like.
too much, a little too lazy. Sometimes I feel like you hate me. Say how I get so angry, yeah. I'm a little fucked up, yeah. I'm a little fucked up, yeah. Tell my mama I'm sorry that I blame her for all the shit I know that I could fix. I get mad and scream it down on paper, then I go and call my therapist. I'm a little fucked up, yeah.
Two lights in your eyes made me forget about myself. Unreal, never pop two pills and put yourself to sea. Yeah, I better be off. You better get behind the way you love, devoid of energy. Yeah, better bring my song. If you feel like wrong, you anyhow, then get it caught. I wronged you now. Better do the dance for another one. Forever gay, how it's going. I'm in a past, yeah. Living the now is what you said. I let you down, cause I was late to the party as always. You got me grades, I can't replace you. Another lesson tryna break through. I better be off, you better get behind the way you love, devoid of energy, yeah. Better bring my song, if you feel like wrong, you ready out and get it caught. I wronged you now, better do the dance for another wine. Forever gay, how it's done. I'm in a rush when the lights come on, cause I ain't the same, so I run away. Couldn't face the pain, so I acted out and overcame. And overcame. And overcame. And overcame. And overcame. You sit still when the wind struck, shipwrecked, tough love, couldn't feel a thing. I still can't, then overcame. Shields me from the words you say in the dark. I'm at large, my reach goes wide and far. I've got powers in my dreams, but awake and I still can't feel a thing. Pressure with your pressure on me, and I kept deflating. I'm certainly no good for it, but I kept saying and then overcame. And overcame. And overcame. And overcame. And overcame.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the